According to reports, YouTube is in negotiations with media giants to include their TV series and films in a hub of ad-supported channels. It is already exploring the concept of weighing viewer interest. According to the Wall Street Journal, the platform may make the hub available to additional users later this year. If the idea is implemented, YouTube will join a market known in the industry as free ad-supported streaming television, or FAST. Roku, Fox's Tubi, and Pluto TV, which is owned by Paramount Global, are among the players in this market, formerly Viacom-CBS. Depending on the material it supplies and how the proposed channels are set up, YouTube may wind up drawing more attention away from those businesses. YouTube acknowledged to the Journal that it is testing ad-supported channels for a small number of subscribers. "We're constantly searching for innovative ways to give viewers with a central destination where they can more quickly locate, watch, and share the material that means most to them," said a spokesperson. For the test, the service is believed to have collaborated with Lionsgate, A+E Networks, and FilmRise. Such channels provide a method for media businesses to generate cash from material that might otherwise stagnate. YouTube already has ad-supported movies, but New Center might provide consumers with a larger selection of free movies and series to watch. Its channels might function similarly to Pluto TV. That platform features channels for repeats of select shows, such as CSI, Doctor Who, South Park, and Frasier, as well as reality shows, live news, and even sports. The rumored foray into FAST is consistent with YouTube's objective of diversifying outside the material that has historically been linked with the platform. It moved premium streaming channels from YouTube TV to its main app in November. Among the earliest primetime channels were Showtime, Starz, Paramount Plus, and AMC Plus. More recently, YouTube secured exclusive rights to the NFL's Sunday Ticket package in a multi-billion-dollar 7-year contract. According to Nielsen, YouTube already has the largest proportion of TV viewing time among streaming services in the United States. In November, it outperformed Netflix for the third time in a row, with 8.8% of viewing time. Initiatives such as the FAST channels and the Sunday Ticket might help it get greater mindshare and audience attention.